Hello YouTube. So one more bike in for a little bit of a customization work, and it's my friend's bike only. It has this immobilizer and security ka thing. It's a Iron 883. It's a black, gloss black one. So my bike is there. My Navi is with my friend. So we are getting this bike, a little work done to this bike. So today again we are going to Ramkot for the little things, as you'll find out in the later part of the video. Imported douchebags. Anyhow, the one thing the Harley sucks at is traffic. As you can see, we have lots of it. If someone asked me how I'm feeling right now on a Harley in the middle of traffic, I'd be like,
अरे माँ चुदी पर ही है, तेन बता रहे हो करे।
चलिए, ये शायद सुनते नहीं हैं।
इश नामपल्ली बाजार घाट, ये गाड़ी पे पहले इसका ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस कम, पर से सस्पेंशन घट। मूविंग ऑन टू आवर फर्स्ट स्टॉप ऑफ द डे, हरीश भाई संतोष रेक्सिन. Have to get the seat covers changed here. हरीश भाई नहीं है, सीट कवर चेंज करना है. हाँ, सीट कवर चेंज करना है. एंड ये स्टिचिंग में अपने पास गोल्डन या येलो थ्रेड है. गोल्डन या येलो थ्रेड में ये सेम टाइप की स्टिचिंग का पैटर्न बना देना है.
So we are at Harish Bhai's shop and this is the seat. We've removed the seat. So the seat cover is getting a change. Harish Bhai gave me a very nice idea. So we are doing it in two-tone and a little bit of threading. I'll show you how it is once it's done. That is Harish Bhai, by the way. He's very camera conscious. So the seat is being done up inside. I'll show it to you in a moment. It's a very complicated process to change the seat cover, blah blah. So I won't be showing much detail. But currently we'll be fitting these lights. भाई जरा light तो बताओ कैमरे में. ऐसा बताओ उसका मुँह. These LED lights. We're gonna be fixing them somewhere around here and mounting अभी देखना है कैसा करना है. And I'm also putting this exhaust insulating wrap on the crash guard to give the bike a little more rugged look, because somehow chrome बहुत चिंदी दिख रहा था. Only chrome part which looks good on the bike is the exhaust. It should be like that. We'll be putting this thing on this. करते रहो कोई बात नहीं. So this is how the heat insulating wrap is installed. It's a pretty manual job. भाई कैमरे को देख के कुछ बोलना था.
अपन क्या अभी लेवा भैया कुछ भी
लेंगे होते वक्त भी बताना जी, पब्लिक को मालूम होना. शोरूम बड़े शोरूम वाले एसीओ में डाल के भूत मार रहे. अपन यहाँ का बताना, यहाँ के कराना लोग. When you come to Ramkot, you witness some crazy scenes. वो पुलिस का भी लेना, पब्लिक को दिखना ना पहले कैसी थी बाद में कैसी बनाया बन बोल के. So this is the adventure edition of the Navi, custom made here in Ramkot at Santosh Bhai's place only. This is the seat. I've chosen a two-tone, the textured one here and the checks here, and we'll be putting a little bit of golden thread along the thing. We'll see how it looks once everything is done. I think the wrap will be done tomorrow as it's already sundown. And as usual, the link to all the shops and everything is down there in the description below. That's my friend here who I met here. He was also here for a little bit of work. So now a lot of people have asked me this question, that why I don't go to big showrooms and get accessories and all done up there. See, my view is इधर भी वही चीज़ मिल रही, उधर भी वही चीज़ मिल रही. उधर आपको AC में सर बोल के ज़्यादा लूट रहे, यहाँ पे आपको कम में काम हो रहा है. In fact, these guys who doing the work and all, they've been doing it since ages. ये शोरूम वाले तो अब जुम्मा 8 दिन ऐसे. रामकोट तो ज़माने से, रामकोट and Karol Bagh in Delhi, these areas have been around since years. So यहाँ के कारीगरों को ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है. So I prefer getting things done here. Of course, I know the people here. These people know me. So whenever you come here, you can give references. Santosh Rekzin hai, Aman bhai hai. So whenever you come here, you can give my reference and get everything done. फिर भी what I do is I never leave the bike. I stand, get all the work done, because end of the day careful रहना पड़ता भाई लोगों. This is how the light is going to be mounted. थोड़ा adjustment कर लेना है, and one more will be coming right here. And we've changed the plans. I've exchanged the old exhaust strap and we'll be putting in this rope on the crash guard. It's getting dark. I don't know how clear the video is gonna be, but let's see. Flashlight तो है ना अपने पास. So this is the rope which is being fixed. As it is night time, I won't be showing you how it looks once it's done. So we'll be seeing it in the final version of the video probably. And because it's night, I'll probably stop vlogging. I'll just show you the seat once it's done. And we'll be stopping the Ramkot vlog right then. Tomorrow at the radium shop we'll be carrying on. So basically almost all the Ramkot work is done. We have fixed both the lights here. Wiring ka kaam chal raha. And yeah, if you're planning to do the wiring yourself, you have to put a separate fuse, and also a little bit of relay work is involved, so you might want to Google that. The guys here are experts. So we're just fitting the seat cover onto the seat. And this is how it looks. These threadings I was talking about are going to go very well with the golden accenting on the bike, which we're going to be putting it on tomorrow. So almost done. So another one in the crazy Ramkot mod series. This is an Activa with a Harley Davidson split seat. Probably a million times more comfortable than a Harley.
2 hours later.
चलो बहुत बना लिया गाड़ी. Time for some good dinner. Come to दावत है हैदराबाद. Historic dinner buffet.
ऑफ सीजन हलीम हमारे दोस्त लोगों के साथ.
Good morning YouTube, and it's day 2. I was too lazy to stick my GoPro on my helmet, so today we'll be going to the radium shop and getting the wrap done. So as you can see, yesterday I got the seat cover done with some yellow stitching on it. This crash guard has been wrapped with this beautiful rope. The LED lamps on the front, wiring karna hai abhi. So today we'll be changing the wrap on the motorcycle. So let's go. I just reached Rajesh's shop, and the wrap again is a surprise. Not something new, something you've seen already on my channel before. That bike's gonna look crazy. Anna, haath to milo zara. Sabko hi bolo, camera mein dekho. So this is the material. It looks very innocent now, but once it's on the bike, it's gonna look crazy. Cutting karke, we're starting off with the tank. We've removed one of the side panel. We'll remove the front fender and another side panel as well. As usual, his link and everything is down there in the description below. His phone number is also in the description below. Please don't spam call him though. So the application has started. The usual application process with the heat gun. So as you can see, it's almost done. The tank is done. I don't know if it's clearly visible, but it's the same wrap which is on my ER6N. The rear fender is being done up too. Once the wrap is done, there's not much to be done, and we just have to fix the wiring, which I'll be doing at home. I won't be making a video of that, and it's very complicated and requires a complete video altogether differently. So once this is done, the bike is going to be ready. All the parts are almost done. And there's a little bit of finishing work to be done, like a little bit in the corners and all, which will be done in a while, and then we have to stick some stickers. Almost done.
One and only soul that has no helper. Oh, maybe I just alone. I trust my gut, but I've never let